So I have a quick little tip for you. This bolt right here and this nut is not coming out. So when I try and take this nut off, the bolt on the other side, which this is a carriage bolt, there used to be a little square piece in this plastic that would hold that carriage bolt and stop it from spinning. But right now, that plastic is worn out and this is just spinning. So I could put some vice grips right here and use a wrench and take it off that way, but that would mess up the threads. So here is a different way to do it that might help. So since I'm taking this whole thing apart, I have nuts of the same size that can go on this bolt. So I'm going to put one on like this. So that I still have some thread, and then put another one like this. And then I will switch the direction of my ratchet. You can also use a wrench and basically tighten that up. So now, hopefully, I can put a wrench on here of the same size, hold the ratchet, and I should be able to loosen that nut. If it's rusty, you can use some kind of penetrating oil to help you, but looks like I got it. So now, use that wrench, take that nut off, take this one off. There we go. So, if you were having trouble removing a nut from a bolt that's just spinning, hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.